2016 to 2021 Nissan Frontier USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2019 Nissan Frontier, and I'm going to be replacing this USB port right here. It's all messed up. The tools you want to get is a plastic pry bar and a small flathead. I will link both tools below. Basically, what you're going to do is come over here with the plastic interior tool, the pry bar, and get in between this USB port and the dash, and then kind of work it and push it outwards towards yourself like this. Kind of just work around it, go around as best you can, and it'll pop out like that. It'll kind of come loose like this, and then if you did it right, you could just kind of gently wiggle it out. The wire harnesses are a little bit long. You have two connectors. One's a white connector. Push the little thumb tab button in the middle and pull the connector backwards, or you could use your tiny flathead to kind of help yourself, but just don't pull it by the wires though, because you'll break the wires. And then we got to get the other connector off, which is this black connector. Same thing. There's a thumb tab in the middle. You push it down, and then you kind of pull the USB port out of the connector. This one's a little more stubborn because there's like a connector within a connector. Do not let the cords jump back into the dash. They want to, so put something there to block them. Here's what it looks like. Now, it does have a little number on the side here, but that's not the part number. They do sell these on Amazon. I'm going to link a bunch of them below. You can go aftermarket, or if you want to get a genuine Nissan one, I'll link that too. Here's a Nissan parts website. It says it fits pretty much a 2016 all the way to a 2021 Nissan Frontier. I'll list this below to see. Yours may be a little different. You might just have a USB port or something, but either way, the procedure's the same. So I had my little screwdriver in here to prevent the wires from going back into the dash. I quickly plugged in one of them, so then it wouldn't go back into the dash. Plug in the other one, and you're going to put this USB port, aux port, in the same orientation it was when you took it out. This one has like a little ridge that goes into the little hole on the side. Like on the right side, there's a little hole in the dash for this to go into. Just line it up how it was. If it's not going in right, then, mess around, be patient, get it in right, push it in, should just snap in place, and that's all you got to do. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Auxito.com promo code. Now, Auxito has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.